This instruction is used to delete a file that resides under a file system.
Notice that the file name here is in quotation marks.
Anytime you use text in these fields, these must be here, so that the instruction knows that you're not using a tag. That being said, you can use string tags for these fields. Make sure to note that this is an edge-triggered instruction. It requires an off-to-on transition to be true. This instruction can be used in a task or program, but cannot be used in subroutines or interrupt service routines. Only the BRX PLCs have the SD card file system, but all Do More CPUs have a usable RAM file system if they have version 2.0 firmware or above. The utility program called Browse PLC File Systems can manage the contents of any file system. This can be found while the designer software is connected to the PLC and then selecting PLC, Browse PLC File System.